Hello guys! Kamusta kayo? Sabado na naman ulit kaya meron tayong bagong upload. Ngayon ay mag-i-investigate tayo sa mga bagong weird na laro dito sa Roblox guys. Kaya samahan nyo ako. First na game na lalaruin natin. 100 players musical chairs. At magjo-join nga rin pala si Yuki! Okay guys, simulan na natin to. Guys, nandito na tayo sa loob ng 100 players musical chair. Pero, guys, merong sabi-sabi na fake daw itong mga to. Hindi daw sila mga real people, mga bots lang daw sila. Kaya i-check natin guys. Gusto nyo ba i-double check natin kung mga real people sila or mga bots lang? Eto guys, kagaya nito. Ilan lang naman kami? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 players lang naman kami, pero dito sa loob, ang dami namin guys. Ngayon, may solusyon tayo dyan guys. Ito lang daw yung gagawin natin para ma-confirm natin kung mga bots talaga sila. Tatanungin natin sila kung, are you guys bots? Ayan. I-check natin guys. Ay, wrong spelling pa ako sa iyo. Okay, yan na. Are you guys bots? And then click lang natin yan. Ayun guys, pumunta tayo sa ibang server. Fine. You figured me out. Have fun in the server of real people. Sorry. Guys, nandito na daw tayo sa mga real people. Na-booking natin nga sila na mga bots lang yung kanina. So, check natin kung totoo nga na nandito na tayo sa mga real people. Ayan, madami na nga sila dito, guys. Ayan, totoo na talaga to. Kaya ngayon, guys, itatry naman nating sumali dun sa musical chair. So, ngayon, kailangan lang natin mag-wait para sa next round guys at makasali kasi tinatapos pa nila yung game nila. Yuki boy, come on, let's go here. Sa wala masyadong tao para wala tayong kasabay kapag nakasali na tayo sa game. Ayun guys, tapos na sila. Tayo naman. Nasaan yung mga upuan? Where's the chair? Ah, okay. Wala pa, pinakaba tayo. Ayan guys, andito na tayo. Ang dami-dami natin. Get your tools. Okay. Ayan guys, ang dami. Sana makaupo tayo. Huh? Ayan guys. Ah! Ala guys, nakaupo tayo. Nakaupo tayo. Yes! Pasok tayo sa next round guys. Parang sinuwerte tayo dun ah. Did you survive?
Yeah.
Wow, nakasurvive kami parehas guys. Next round, next round, next round. Grabe, sobrang weirdo. Ala! Ah! Ala, ala, ala. Oh, saan ako? Wala ng chair. Oh, guys, wala. Ano mangyayari sa atin? Ayan na nga ba yung sinasabi ko guys. Lumipad tayo. Pero may revive. Yes. Huh? 30 Robux? Did you revive with the 30 Robux? Hindi kami magre-revive na merong 30 Robux guys. Wala kaming Robux guys. Sana magkaroon kami ng Robux. Kaya don't forget to like the video and subscribe. May collect coins din pala dito guys. Try natin mag-collect ng maraming coins guys at try nating mag-revive gamit yung mga nako-collect nating coins. Collect. We have eggs. Yeah, you need to collect. That's why I have 19 coins. Here oh, like this. Collect. You just need to go around and collect some coins. Ang cute ng sounds. Guys, sali tayo sa next round. 1. Hair laser. Ang dami naman katabi. Nasaan ka, Yuki? Basta you need to survive, ha? You can do it. Wala, binabaril nila yung mga chair. Wala, wala. Ah! Why? Why? Poor me. Nakaupo ka? Survive. Buti pa si Yuki naka-survive. Revive. Guys, naka-revive ako sa next round kasi naka-collect ako ng halos 25 coins kanina, di ba? Kaya ngayon makakasali tayo ulit. Let's go! Pakunti ng pakunti yung upuan, guys. Binabaril nila. Ah, go, 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 go. Go! Nako!
Yes, yes, yes.
Oh, no! Sobrang noob ko naman dito. Guys, ito yung pangalawang weird game sa Roblox. This is the Fashion Diva. Sobrang famous daw nitong Fashion Diva noong 2023. Same creator lang, no?
Oh.
At daw. So, same creator lang sila ng 100 players kanina na nilaro natin. Guys, i-try din natin tong Fashion Diva. Is this bot too? Bot
Yes.
din ba sila?
Yes.
Star,
1 star.
3 star. Ooh, there's a car. 4 star.
0 star.
2 star. The nicest voter award goes to Malakwaki.
The ugly ones are stupid.
So the voter is the voter is gonna have a reward. 5 players lang yun nandito, guys. So malaking chance na bot ulit to. Or are we gonna go? Guys, tanungin natin ulit sila kung bot ba sila. Are you guys bots again?
No.
Tapos magte-teleport na naman tayo niyan. Let's check. Ayan nga, guys, nag-teleport tayo. Did you try this?
Look, I'm inside. I'm inside the fast one.
Wow.
It's just
Wait. Yuki, go here, oh. Ay! Ay! Kaya wag nyo na i-click yun, guys. Kasi ganun mangyayari sa cellphone, tablet, or sa laptop nyo. If ever na i-click nyo yun.
If you're at PC, click the Windows button, then click Roblox player. It will restart to get out.
Okay. Great advice. Sundin nyo yun, guys. Guys, last weird game na to sa Roblox na itatry natin, ha. Who is Real? By Clean Mean Bean. Same lang ng creator ng 100 players, Fashion Diva, at saka itong Who is Real. Same creator lang sila, guys. So, dito, guys, they copy what you do. Have fun with it. I'm working on making them even more real. Come on, let's play this. Let's check what this game is all about. Ayan, nandito na tayo sa loob, guys. So, we are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Dito sa server, guys, we're only 10 players. Pero ang dami namin dito, guys. Hindi kaya mga clone na sila? Kasi merong cloner machine dun, guys. Kaya pala ang dami nila. Kahit na 10 players lang kami dito, mukha kaming thousands of players, guys, dahil sa cloner machine. I-try din natin magpa-clone, guys. Come on. You wanna try to clone yourself?
I saw myself, but it's cloned.
Okay, guys, pasok tayo dun. Try natin pumasok. Excuse me. Ang dami pa nilang nakapila, guys. Excuse me, pa-clone po kami.
Excuse me! Excuse me!
Ang daming gusto magpa-clone, guys. Ay, nakita ko na yung clone ko, guys.
I saw my
Ayun.
my clone.
Good morning, all clones. Ayun, ano yun ako, guys? Nakita nyo rin ba? Ayan, oh.
Who's the real
Kausapin. Ay, ako pala yung nagsabi nun. Good morning, all clones. May sinasabi siya. She's yapping and yapping. My clone. Hello, that is not... Ayun niya, umiiwas siya sa akin, guys. This is not the bot verification. Guys, so... Ako si Mara 1122. I'm the real one. Ala, meron pa akong isa. 3 na kami, guys. Tapos, ito yung napansin ko, guys. Merong nakalagay dito na, your actions are currently being recorded. Did you saw it too? Your actions are currently being recorded.
What?
So, parang...
Huh?
Yeah. Nakita ko dito, guys. Sabi ng isang YouTuber, kaya daw being recorded tayo kasi ito daw yung gagawin ng creator para sa mga susunod pang bots na gagawin niya. What? Kaya niya nire-record tayo.
Do you see my dog?
Sobrang creepy na ito, guys. Anyways, guys, 3 games na creepy or weird games na rin ang nalaro natin dito sa Roblox. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Paalam!